Bearings is the part of applications of trigonometry. After applications of trigonometry, the next topic is bearings. What are bearings? A bearing is an angle measurement used to describe precisely the direction of one location to another. Bearings are used for many purposes, but they are mostly used in navigation, aviation, or satellite system, etc. Like when a ship travels in a sea, or an airplane or aircraft travels in a space, then bearing works as directions. So bearings are used to reach from one destination to another. As for bearings, we use directions, as we know that this is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. Then the angle between north to east will be 90 degree, north to west, north to south will be 180 degree, and north to west will be 270 degree, and this whole rotation will be of 360 degree. There are three rules of bearings. The first one is it is always mirrored from north. The second one is it will be mirrored in a clockwise direction, and the third one is it will be written in three figures. Suppose if we mirror from north to this point, if this angle is 60 degree, so for bearing we'll write 060 degree in three figures. Here is the question. Find the bearing of A from O, B from O, O from A, and O from B. For the first two parts, we have to find the bearing of A and B from O. So here we use the north at O. So the bearing of A from O, it's given, or it's already given, it's 55 degree. So, but we'll write in the form 055 degree. And for the bearing of B from O, we start from the north at O to this angle B. This whole angle will be mirrored. But for the third part, the bearing of O from A. So here at A, we'll draw the north. Here we'll draw the north at A. Then from the north at A to O, this angle will be mirrored. And then for the last part, the bearing of B, the bearing of O from B. From B means we'll draw the north at B over here. First we'll draw the north at B over here, then start from the north at B to O. This angle will be mirrored. Here is the solution. The first part was the bearing of A from O. It's given 55 degree. So we'll write in the form 055 degree. For the second part, the bearing of B from O. B from O, I have shown it with blue, theta 1, that is theta 1. So 90 plus 90 plus 90, 270 plus 25. 25 is already given to us. So 270 plus 25 is 295 degree. For the third part, it's given that the bearing of O from A. From A means first we'll draw the north at A, then start from the north at A to O. I have shown it in blue and theta 2. So it will be written in the form this angle 90, this 90, 180, 180 plus 55. How this is 55? As these two norths are parallel to each other, then this 55 and this 55 will be alternate, and alternate angles are equal. So this is 55. We have 180 plus 55 is equals to 235. For the last part, we have to find the bearing of O from B. From B means first we'll draw the north at B, then start the north at B to O, this angle that is shown in blue. It is theta 3. So when we'll read this, this is 90 and this is 25. Again, as I've said earlier, that two norths are parallel to each other. So these two lines are parallel to each other. This 25, and this 25 will be alternate angles. So for the bearing of O from B will be 90 plus 25, that is equals to 115 degree. This is your home task. You have to find the bearing of A from O, B from O, C from O, and D from O. For this, all the bearings are from O. So we use the north at O. The bearing of A from O is this one. The bearing of B from O is from the north of O to B. We will measure this angle. Then for the C part, C from O, this whole angle. And then for the last part, D from O, start from the north at O to D. This whole angle will be here. This is your home task and you will solve it by yourself. Thank you very much.